Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall, and I have already told you in my previous video that it can go further down. Okay, why I have told you that whenever the price of any commodities or even stock or any forex moves in a particular zone, and once this zone breakout happens upside or downside, then we can see a probability it can go further upside or downside respectively. So we have not seen this level since March of 2021. Okay, and what we have seen, this is the range and it has breaks downside, so higher chances of going further down is there. Before we move forward and explain you, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Probability of going further down is on a higher side. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, chances are very high that we can see it can go further low, and a probability of touching a level of $3.955 is there. Okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $3.8. Okay, because you can see that $3.86 is a weak support, so chances of moving further low is on a higher side. We can see it can go and touch a level of around $3.65. Okay, once it goes below this level, chance of touching this level is there, and this level is already a weak support, so chances are high we can see it can move further low, and a probability of touching $3.4 is there. Okay, as you can see, this is the support $3.45. We can see a bounce back can come from this particular zone, but if this level breaks downside, we can see a level of $3.175 to a level of 3.045. Keep that in mind. Once it fall below a level of 3.45, chances of going further low is there. Okay, but as we have seen that the market for natural gas or other commodities is quite volatile as of now. Okay, because of few things, that the Fed was continuously increasing all these rates, and the US dollar getting strengthened. These are the things which affected the price of natural gas in 2022, and we can see that it is continuously on the downside till now. Suppose if it form a swing at this particular level, or if this support 4.022 made a swing at this particular level, so the next resistance we can see coming at around $4.194. Keep this in mind that see, overall trend is downside, that you have to keep that in mind, but you should not go blindly following the particular thing. That means if it is going down, overall trends, you know it is down, but it is quite volatile. It can hit your SL as well as target, but before hitting the target, it hit your SL 2-3 times. This can happen, so you have to be careful. Okay, so you have to be ready. Suppose if the price move against your what you are thinking or against the trend, so you have to be ready. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, so the next resistance we can see coming at around $4.170, and if that level sustain, chances are high we can see a level of $4.41, and if the price move up that particular level, then we can see a level of $4.489, and if that level move further upside, chances of going further upside is there. We can see a level of $4.931, and if that level sustain, we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of 0.2206 is there. And once the price goes above that particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of around 5.325. Okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can go further high, because this is the support. This is the support previously, now acting as a resistance. So if the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can cross a level of 5.4 and can touch a level of 5.7. Okay, so once it sustain 5.7, then we can see it can move further upside, and 4.9 is a strong resistance as well as support. So if the price move below this level, this will act as a strong resistance, but if the price sustain above that level, this will act as a strong resistance support. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Now understand something, most of the people lose money in trading. Why they lose? Because they think that they can be directly make double the capital or 20, 30, 40% return in single day. But what you should be doing, that suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades also, your risk maximum is $500, that is 100 per trade. Okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, okay, suppose if you lose all 5 trades, your maximum loss is $500. Okay, it will not affect your psychology because your capital is 10k and it is not that big amount that you will try to recover on the same day. You can recover the next day also. Okay, but what people do is they lose so much money, suppose 5,000 and 3,000, these all things, then they try to recover on the same day and then they lose their full capital. This is what they do. But if it is $500, you can focus more on profit the next day. This is what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these things. When to strategize, when to trade, when to not to trade, when to sit quietly, when to hedge, and all these strategies I teach. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the time. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. New to my channel, subscribe.